This morning we woke up to a new release by ChatGPT Agent. ChatGPT Agent. It looks like a rebranded version of ChatGPT Operator. A lot of you people are using the word agent, so they thought they should rebrand so that people start using ChatGPT more and not shift, because we were seeing a lot of shift towards Claude and Manas for agentic work, but now ChatGPT is trying to rebrand itself and try to get the same use cases that Manas has been doing for a couple of months. And this is something that does everything at a particular browser. Not as of now, I don't have access to this particular thing. There are, I am a, if you can see, I am a $20. I'm a ChatGPT Plus member. So they are telling first it is going to be to roll out for the for US, and then it is going to be rolled out for the thing that is there. So here also in the pricing, if you can see, it is not mentioned here. It has not yet updated here regarding this as well, the details, because it was just something that happened in the in US. It happened yesterday evening, so it was UAE. It was a late night, and so maybe in the coming days it is going to update for this particular plans that are there. Now coming to what is agent, what is the specialty? It is just opening the browser in a in your virtual browser in your ChatGPT version. As you can see in the screen, open different screen website to search to a particular activities. So you give it a specific work, like in the demo they were mentioning that they want to go to their friend's wedding and they wanted the whole planning including shopping for the clothes according to the theme, everything being done by this particular chat gpt. So my take on this is a something that was expected from chat gpt to get into the bandwagon. As you can see here, it is a natural evolution of operator and deep research. So now they had a deep research, they had an operator, so maybe now they're getting both together and calling it an agent. So previously operator and deep research each brought unique strengths. Operator could scroll, click and type on the web, while deep research excelled at analyzing and summarizing information, but they work best in different situations. Operator could deep dive into analysis or write detailed report, and deep research could interact with websites or refine results or access content requiring user authentication. So by integrating these two complementary strengths, that is the operator and the deep research that was being there, and as of all of you can see, operator was available for the pro version. It was not yet available for the plus version. So, and deep research was available for the limited version in the plus version as well, which used to do all the good details, go and search and write an amazing, and it used to do a good work, right? So now they have combined both these things that are there, and now they have rebranded into something called as a ChatGPT agent. You can naturally transition from a simple conversation to request action directly in the same chat. And when I was looking at the demo and doing my research, what they want to do is they want to have a human-like conversation while the agents are working, have an interaction, because you don't want to give a command and it takes 15 minutes and gets an output that you don't like. So it wants to while it is processing all the information, it is also interacting with you, asking you, I'm doing this, I'm doing that, and also you can see the verbose steps that are there. And if you feel anything is not going your way, you can stop it, you can ask it to take a new path, and this is something that they are trying to help. So this video is there, I will be linking this on the YouTube. You can go through it. It is showing some things about spreadsheets, how spreadsheets is being done, and if you can see this quick demo about spreadsheets and different things that they have done, research and action.
So we have been on this to figure everything it out, right? It's figured out essentially really
everything here.
And the agent is basically going to give me like a detailed outline, how much it's going to cost, whatever.
And then this one, if you can see, it is asking, you can selecting an agent, it is asking us to create an image, and it is doing research on the this particular thing, and also not only doing the stickering, but also finding the prices. See, I'm uploading the design. I've selected one by one in glossy finish, UPS grounding shipping. So completed ticket order. So they have done the complete generation, uh, ordering everything. Uh, if you can see this, and also they have taken the address as well. So these are the capability of this. Now if you see the benchmarks, always every release there are benchmarks. So if you can see, it has been doing on a humanity last exam. This is one of the latest benchmarks that has been used. It has been doing much better compared to the its own previous versions that are there. And also in maths, right, it has been doing comparatively very good compared to the older models that are there. And if they, so the comparison that they are doing in this particular thing is with their own models, and what they see that ChatGPT agent wins, and in few cases there are ties as well, but it is something that is doing well. So in the DS bench as well, it is doing somewhat amazing. If you can see this, it is doing amazing comparatively also for the data modeling part. And in spreadsheet benchmark also, compared to the human, this compared to the particular AI tools, it is doing well as well, 45%. And the benchmarks always talk, and I personally believe, I don't believe in the benchmark specifically, but this is just an AI tool that we are going to look forward. Whenever I get hands on this, I will try to do a demo for the community. This is something that Manas has been having this particular type of options for some time. So now ChatGPT is going to take the competition at a very high level, because Manos, a lot of people are a little bit skeptical about using Manos, but with the integration of ChatGPT agents and the new branding, I feel that this is going to take a good potential, and and more people are not only going to use it for a knowledge source, but also to do some action items that are there. So explore this. Thanks. I will be linking all the comments right now how to use. Uh, so right now, as I told you, it is not available. Can access as your connectors as it performs your tasks. So later, and maybe in this it will be coming by today. I was a little bit hurried to show you this video, but if you go here as well, new chat. If you can click, not this one, more models, and settings. There is no option here as of now. Responses, personalization, connector, no. So because if you don't get the latest updates, there is an option here for latest updates. So we want to show you ChatGPT Plus, manage payment. So we will be receiving the latest updates. Before there was an option for beta launches, but now they have removed that. Now they're giving it to almost everyone who is there in that version. Custom instruction, reference history, record mode, manage memories, on, connectors, and yeah, this is something that we have to wait, because if you will get the agents, if you can see in your, if you are able to see here, still I'm seeing the old one. So maybe they will do some changes and explore this, and whenever I have it here, I will do a demo video for all of you. Thank you for watching and have a great day.